Finding a quality camera doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're an aspiring photographer, a content creator, or just want to capture memories with crisp, clear images, there are plenty of excellent cameras available under $500. These budget-friendly options offer impressive features like high-resolution sensors, versatile zoom lenses, and easy-to-use controls, making them perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. Here's a video to the best cameras under $500 that deliver great performance without compromising on quality. Number 1. Ricoh PENTAX WG8 camera. Ricoh PENTAX is known for manufacturing affordable, robust, durable, and waterproof digital cameras that deliver great visual outcomes. The Ricoh WG8 is an impressive do-it-all compact camera that falls well within our $500 cutoff. It's also among the hardiest of the bunch, thanks to its 20 meters, 65.6 feet. Waterproofing rating, 2 meters, 6.8 feet. Drop durability, dust-proof IPX6 rating, and ability to continue operation at -10 degrees Celsius per 14 degrees Fahrenheit. While I don't know how you'll need this feature, the WG8 is also crush-proof against weights of up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds. Regarding optics, the Ricoh boasts an all-purpose 5x optical zoom lens with a 5 to 25 millimeters, 28 to 140 millimeters full-frame equivalent focal range. It also offers a respectable maximum aperture of f/3.5 to f/5.5 at each end of the range. The WG8 houses an impressive 20MP 1/2.3 type BSI CMOS image sensor that captures sharp, well-rendered JPEG images. The Ricoh internally records 1920 by 1080 H.264 video to the single SD/SDHC/SDXC memory card slot, or full HD 1920 by 1080 at 30.00 frames per second externally via the USB port. Activate the movie shake reduction mode to capture smooth and vibration-free content. While the WG8 lacks an EVF, it features a large, bright, fixed 1040K dot screen. However, the LCD doesn't feature articulation or a touch interface. Given that the Ricoh operates at depths of 20 meters, 65.6 feet, where it's very dark, including a circular ring flash is an excellent addition. The camera also offers a range of shooting modes and variable settings to optimize exposure in any lighting conditions. The Ricoh PENTAX WG8 is an excellent choice for those who love to capture their extreme sports or adventures in detail. Number 2. Canon EOS R100 camera. Canon has a long and acclaimed track record in the DSLR and, more recently, mirrorless camera market. The company's EOS R series of digital cameras are among the most sought after and offer a range of features and performance to suit enthusiast and professional photographers. However, not everyone has a professional skills, needs, or budget. Many just want a reasonable camera with a range of interchangeable lenses. The Canon EOS R100 is the perfect entry-level digital mirrorless camera within our $500 budget, not including a lens. One of the most appealing features of a camera, like the R100, is the ability to adapt a wide range of RF mount lenses. While you can purchase the camera without lenses for around $450, you can also buy a kit including the camera and a flexible zoom like the 18 to 45 millimeters, 29 to 72 millimeters full-frame equivalent. For a little more, the Canon EOS R100 is a feature-packed mirrorless camera that produces excellent image quality thanks to the 24.1MP APS-C CMOS crop sensor, variable shooting modes, and exposure control. It's a much more significant option than many compact cameras featured in this guide. However, it's an impressive package for those who prefer a larger camera body with greater ergonomics. In addition to the excellent image quality, the EOS R100 captures HD 1920 by 1080 video at 59.94 frames per second and an impressive UHD 4K 3840 by 2160 at 23.98 frames per second. The Canon R100 features a single memory card slot, HDMI micro port, USB-C port, 3.5mm TRS stereo microphone input, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi/Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity. Given the camera's larger size, it offers a large 0.39 2360K OLED EVF and a less impressive fixed 3 1040K LCD that lacks a touch interface or articulation. Regardless of the numbers, having the ability to shoot with an EVF or LCD is a plus. If you're not ready to switch to a digital mirrorless camera and prefer to stick with DSLR technology, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is for you. The EOS Rebel T7 has many identities. It's known as the EOS 2000D in Europe, Canon EOS 1500D in Asia and Australia, and KISS X90 in Japan. Number 3. Sony's EV-1F vlogging camera. Sony is one of the best-known and most trusted brands for consumer electronics, including stereos, televisions, and digital cameras. I still recall my pure delight at getting my first Sony Discman with anti-skip technology. Yes, I'm that older. Sony's range of digital mirrorless cameras is among the most impressive thanks to their high-resolution image sensors, videography capabilities, and lightning-fast focus performance. While the Sony ZV-1F vlogging camera costs less than $500, it still retains Sony's attention to detail, performance, and overall output. As the name suggests, the ZV-1F is an excellent vlogging camera with dedicated vlog features, including a forward-facing rotating touchscreen, hot shoe, microphone input port, and noise reduction microphone windshield. The Sony ZV-1F records UHD 4K 30p or HD 1080p up to 100p video internally to the single SD/SDHC/SDXC memory card slot. Supportive modes include face detection focus priority, animal eye autofocus, and a product priority mode for showcasing your unboxing videos. Even though the Sony is a vlogger's camera, it's a great little point-and-shoot thanks to the fixed Zeiss 7.6mm, 20mm full-frame equivalent, with a maximum aperture of f/2. The 20mm wide-angle field of view is ideal for various photography styles, including travel, street, and landscape. Zeiss is a lens brand typically associated with premium Leica cameras. The 20.1MP 1x mirrorless BSI CMOS image sensor and powerful Bionz X deliver excellent image quality. Sony's compact vlog camera doesn't feature an EVF, but offers a fully articulating 3 touchscreen with 921, 6K dots of image resolution. One downside of such a compact design is the fiddly controls, dials, and buttons. It takes some time to get used to, and those with big hands and fingers might find it impossible. Number 4. OM System TUF G7 Camera. The OM System TUF G7 shares much in common with the Ricoh PENTAX WG-1000 and WG-8. Available in red or black, the TG7 is a compact fixed-lens digital camera that excels in wet and wild conditions. Its design and build quality make it IPX8, rated waterproof to depths of 15 meters 50 feet. Freeze-proof to temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Shockproof to drops of 2.1 meters 7 feet. Crushproof up to 100 kilograms 220 pounds, and dust and fog resistant. OM Systems TG7 packs a modest 12MP BSI CMOS image sensor and TruePic 8 processor to capture sharp images in any lighting conditions. Given the TG7's high underwater capability, OM Systems also develops many accessories for deeper adventures, including underwater lighting and housing. The fixed lens offers a 4x optical zoom range from 4.5 to 18 mm, 25 to 100 mm full frame equivalent, and an excellent f/2-4.9 max aperture. Its zoom and wide aperture are ideal for various photography genres, from portraiture to wide-angle landscapes. While the 12MP image sensor limits image resolution, the TG7 more than compensates by offering raw image format and UHD 4K video at 30p. Another limitation is the lack of an EVF, and the only option is the fixed, non-touch 3 LCD panel with a less-than-ideal resolution of 1037K dots. There's no denying that the OM System TG7 is one of the most robust and everything-proof cameras available. It offers good low-light performance, raw image files, fast FPS bursts, and 4K video recording. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13 Black Camera. While the Ricoh WG and OM System TG cameras offer great solutions for beachside activities, the true hero of the action camera world is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro has dominated the action camera market for countless years, offering fun, creative, and cost-effective solutions for capturing even the most extreme sports and activities. While the Hero 13 Black features a fixed 12 to 39mm, full-frame equivalent, f/2.5 lens, GoPro offers a range of clip-on lens adapters and filters. Lens mods include macro for close-up details, ultra-wide for expansive landscapes, anamorphic for cinematic, and an ND filter kit with 4 different stop levels: ND4, ND8, ND16, and ND32. Another key benefit of the lens mods is that the GoPro automatically detects the lens or filter and adjusts its settings accordingly. The GoPro Hero 13 Black captures full-resolution raw images and countless video formats and modes, while the show star is the optically uncompromised 5.3K at 60p. The Hero 13 also records silky smooth 4K at 120p and 8x slow-motion 2.7K at 240p. The good times don't stop there, as the Hero features hypersmooth 6.0 digital image stabilization to minimize frame cropping while delivering smooth capture. Video-savvy folk will love the ability to record in 10-bit video or log encoding at 10-bit with GP-Log to capture greater color depth and reproduction. The Hero 13 Black features stereo microphones and can pair seamlessly with external Bluetooth-enabled microphones. The new Enduro battery powers the camera's impressive output. It sustains 2.5 hours of recording 1080 video and up to 1.5 hours of recording 4K or 5K 30p. Number 6. Fujifilm Instax Mini EVO Camera. Fujifilm has been in the optics game for over 90 years and has continued to innovate and manufacture class-leading digital cameras. Although Fuji doesn't have a digital mirrorless camera under $500, they offer a range of Instax instant film cameras and printers. The Instax camera range is unique because it uses a chemical film processing technique whenever you print an image. As the single film slide ejects from the Instax camera, processing chemicals squeeze across it to interact with the light and develop the image. It's a little magical. Kids and adults alike love it. The Fujifilm Instax Mini EVO Hybrid Instant Camera combines the wonders of instant film processing and digital elements to optimize the fun factor. The EVO Hybrid captures image detail with a 28mm f/2 lens and a small 1/5 type sensor. Image review, editing, and menu access are via the rear 3 LCD with a low resolution of 460K dots. As for styling, the EVO is available in black, brown, limited dark silver, and limited titanium gold, each with a retro film camera aesthetic. The Instax Hybrid features a manual film dial that allows users to alter the look of images with one of 10 filters or presets. The lens also features a dial that allows users to select up to 10 lens effects for creative outcomes. A film winding lever cleverly sets the EVO to print the currently displayed image. It boasts internal memory that can hold up to 45 images, and the microSD slot allows you to expand your storage considerably. The beauty of the Fujifilm Instax hybrid camera is that you can take shots and opt to edit and print only the images you love. Alternatively, you can connect the EVO to your smartphone via Bluetooth and use the Instax app to edit and print photos from your smartphone photo library.